Hello, thanks for joining me. Time for our nightly look at the weather across other parts of the world, and we'll have a look at Europe because it's not just the UK that's experiencing the heat right now. It's actually a large chunk of the continent. You can see the cloudless skies, the heat across Europe with scattered summertime thunderstorms here, and the jet stream and the weather fronts are way towards the north, closer to the Arctic Circle. So Tuesday across many parts of Europe is going to be every bit as hot. Let's have a look at the forecasts for the eastern Mediterranean first. So Athens, no surprises there, 33 degrees Celsius, lots of sunshine, 30 for Rome. But notice around the Balearics here, so basically around Palma, Mallorca, Ibiza there, and also on the east coast of Spain, some showers and thunderstorms expected here. So perhaps the temperature's not quite so high because of the cloud, only 26 in Barcelona. But look at that, London's actually going to be hotter, 31 Celsius, even Stockholm a degree higher than that, at around 28 degrees Celsius. And on Wednesday, and this is the forecast for Wednesday, it's still going to remain very hot across many parts of Europe. That heat spreading into parts of Finland as well. Temperatures there at least into the 20s. But notice that across the British Isles here, clouds and some rain approaching, and those temperatures starting to ease in London down to around 25 degrees by Wednesday. And that's a sign of things to come for many other parts of Europe, because these low pressures will start to develop out in the Atlantic, come our way, certainly bring some wet and windy weather to the northwest of the UK, and then those weather fronts will spread into other parts of Europe too. So we'll start to see those temperatures easing back down across Western and Central Europe. So in Paris down to 22 by the time we get to Sunday. But in the south there, in Spain, it'll recover to around 30 degrees. Elsewhere across Europe, we're back there in Athens again, a lot of hot sunshine. So if you're off to Greece, it's looking beautiful and sunny as you'd expect it. Now let's go from Europe now to the Caribbean, another holiday destination, and we have a tropical storm here. See the Caribbean islands, these are called the Lesser Antilles, the east of the Caribbean. This is Tropical Storm Dorian. It's not a very powerful tropical storm. It's also quite small as well in its size, but it does look as though it's going to be impacting some of the islands over the next 24, 48 hours. Barbados, this island here, could be affected by the storm. You can see it's closing in on that island. And as this storm moves across the Caribbean over the next few days, it could potentially strengthen just about into a hurricane and affect Puerto Rico, which is the island here, and also the island of Hispaniola, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. But that's still a few days away, but there is some trouble brewing in the tropics. Anyway, back here in the UK, well, suffice to say, another hot day on the way tomorrow. Bye-bye.